Hello fam, good to have you back. So today I'll be showing you how to achieve a natural makeup look. Something you can wear on a daily basis. That kind of makeup that looks like you're not wearing anything, like something is there and nothing is there. So that's what I am going to be showing you today. So if this is something you might be interested in, then stay tuned, don't go away. I have already prepped my face. By prepping I mean I have cleaned my face. You need to start on a clean canvas, so your face has to be clean. I've already cleaned my face and I have applied my primer. Usually you're supposed to apply your moisturizer before your primer, but because I'm going to be doing a tinted moisturizer hack, I have skipped that step for now. So I have already applied my primer. I used this primer from Hega and Esther, and I'm going to be using this moisturizer from minimalist, and I'm going to be mixing it with a little bit of my foundation. I'm also using this foundation from Hega and Esther in the shade Bronze. So I'm going to be mixing a little of this with these two. Okay, so let's get to work. So this is the amount of moisturizer I am using. So I'm going to go ahead now and put on like a little pea size of the foundation. Is this really pea sized? I don't know, but that's the quantity I'm using. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this to get my tinted moisturizer. So if you've been looking for a tinted moisturizer and you can find one, we already have it around here in Nigeria. But if you've not found one, well, I just showed you a hack on how to create one. So I'm just going to mix these two together. So there you go. I have my tinted moisturizer and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my face. I'll be using a beauty blender to do that. Before you use your beauty blender, make sure that you must have dipped it in water, like you soak it in water. Not like soak and leave, like you're soaking clothes. Just immerse it in water and squeeze out the water, just to make it as soft as this. Because if you use a dry beauty blender to apply your foundation, it's going to leave some patches on your face. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on this tinted moisturizer. So you make sure you extend it to your jawline. You don't want it looking like you're wearing a mask.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong.
I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little concealer under my eyes, just to even out the dark circles.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you.
There you go. So this concealer is just a shade lighter than my skin color, like it's almost not showing that there's anything. So in this kind of makeup, I don't bother to do all the contour, all the I don't do it. So I can just go ahead and add on a little blush. Just some little rosy. Cheek won't do any harm.
so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way
I'll use the bottom of my blender to do this.
brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side,
I think I need to add more.
Okay, maybe you could be the change I need.
Okay, it's more like it. Okay, if you are not a blush person, you can actually skip this step. For me, I like blush. Not that it's going to really show anywhere at the end of the day. But like I said, it will be there, like it's not there. So you see that? How are we doing? Yeah, so next I'm going to go ahead and put on some powder. So I'm also using this Hager and Esther powder in the shade HW35. It's my powder shade, I'm not going like it. I'll just first of all apply it under my eyes, and then I'll go all over my face with it. Don't forget to extend down your jawline and into your neck.
I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless.
Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm just going to put a little lighter powder under my eyes, just to, you know, like push it out a little. So, doing that, a lighter powder, just a little, nothing much.
And fake a smile until I look.
Just to brighten that eye area. Now that that is done, I'll go ahead and do my brows, line my eyes. I might put on a little shadow, just something very mild, and then we do lip pencil and lip gloss, and then boom. Okay, so brows. So what I'm doing is just filling in my brows. I went ahead to clean up my brows off camera, and today is not a brow lesson day. I promised to film you a brow tutorial on how to, you know, get neat and clean brows, but let's go ahead. So now that I have all this, can you see that my face is already looking, you know, so I'm going to go ahead and just put a little eyeshadow. Nothing serious, nothing serious. In fact, as a matter of fact, I'll be using my hands to apply it. So I'm using this Jesseline Heel palette. It's my Old Faithful palette. So I'm just going to, you know, use any of the nude colors to apply on my lips. So I'm going in with this color.
Goes up in my brain, all of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be.
I don't want it too much, so I'll just keep blending till I get exactly what I want. So how is it looking? I like it. I don't know if you do. So next I'm going to line my eyes. I'll be using this Marlboro liquid liner. You can use an eyeliner pencil to do this, but for now I just want to use this. Try to keep the line as thin as possible. You don't want to be looking like a raccoon at the end of the day. So we don't want to be dramatic today, so no wings. No wings. We want to be natural. We wanna be natural. If you're not adept with using liquid eyeliners, please stay off it. This thing can mess you up. Even me when they sharp myself, get some days they deal with me. But today is a good day, thank the Lord. So next I'm going to just apply my mascara. I'm not putting on any false lashes. No falsies today. Let us accentuate the things that the Lord gave to us. So I'm going to work this brows up. Abi brows, eyelash job. Careful, so you don't get to stain your eyelid. So I'm going to work it down now as well. Just work it down and up till you get what you need. Okay. If you need it more voluminous, you can apply a second coat. So you can decide to line your other eyes with black eyeliner or not. I prefer not to line mine. So instead I'll just apply mascara on my lower lashes.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
So if you have stains, don't worry. For whatever is reason can be amended. So I'm just going to let it dry, then I can brush it off. Okay, so while we're waiting for that, so we can correct all that, let's get on to the lips. What I'm going to be doing is to line my lips with a medium brown lip liner and then apply lip gloss. So I'm going in with this. And I'm taking this shimmery peachy nude, is it peach? Something like orangey lip gloss from Pega and Esther.
Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so.
Okay, so let's try and clean up our stains. So I'm using this clean spoolie and I'm brushing this off.
I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt.
So I'm dabbing in some powder there in the same way I did before. So my powder shade first and then the lighter shade. So I think our stain is gone. I'm just going to go ahead and finish this up by running my powder over it again. You can still see my blush. So I'm just taking my brush. I didn't dip it in powder, just the leftover of the brush. I'm using it to reduce the shine on my ears. And I'm going to brush it down my neck as well. So in order to finish this look, I like to put on a little bit of glow. Hey, shine, shine.
My mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but someday.
So can you see that, guy? We have makeup ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this whole, bring down my hair and everything. But before then, let's not forget our finishing spray. I'm using this one from Omari Code. It's called Omari Code Skin Mist. I'm just going to spray all over. So guys, this is our finished look. How do I look? Oh!
Gay, 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 gay.
So you see how minimal this makeup is looking? Tell me you don't like it. So if you're a no makeup person, this is an excellent and perfect natural makeup look for you. You see, it's so minimal, and you can rock this anywhere. So let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. Until our next video, ciao ciao.
I say make I wear my glasses so make I fit see myself very well. See babe, can you beat that? I'm feeling myself. Gay, 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 gay. Bye.